The other one is excess of fire. This is the other category. The kidney only we discussed. If water is high, what happens? That heart element it will kill the heart element, right? So that the fire is not at all happening. Your heartbeat become low. This is one category. There is one more category also. Water is more we discuss. Water is less means what happens? If water is less also a problem. If you have a more less water, what happens? If no water is meant, fire will flame up. More fire will come. So more fire won't keep quiet. It will spread in your body and you will get a more tension. You will get a more anger. You have noticed suddenly people are sitting simply and suddenly they get a anger. So that fire, it will cross the limit. That time the heart heat will be more. In acupuncture term, we call it as a heart heat. So make sure that you have enough water. That also a problem. Water is more also problem, water less also problem. In this case, you feel more thirsty here and then your heart become more. General problem of the water is less. That means excess of fire. Fire is more. You feel the palpitation. The heartbeat become more. You cannot control the heart. It will be like tap 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 tap. It will speak. Even in the sleep also you will listen. That is, we call it as a palpitation. The high palpitation will be there. Sometimes the palpitation become more due to the in also. But we need a deep analysis. In case if you have a question or a doubt, maybe you can come and visit clinic, whether it is fall under kidney in or heart heat. So maybe that's the best way. In case don't try the point if you have a doubt, and if you are clear on that, whether it is spleen or liver, or if you have a doubt, then you can come to clinic and our healers are there. They will guide you whether it is related to the high water or it is less water when you get a blood pressure. So this is the one of the factor whenever we get a high blood pressure, right? This is the excess of fire. The palpitation is very high and they always get a anger. This is also one of the problems. So what are the foods they can avoid? Avoid means basically they should not eat more bitter later food. In this, heart is related to the bitter. So you should not eat more bitter later food. Maybe in day-to-day life, we are having a coffee, right? If you increase the decantation, that is a bitter only. So avoid taking a coffee with less sugar. In case if you are a fan of a coffee, just take little, reduce the bitter and increase the sugar, so that it will strengthen your heart. This is what we excess of fire we said, right? Heart heat is more, and what you have to do, you have to reduce your bitter. The same way, if water is more in your kidney, water is more, what you have to do? You have to, the bitter we need to increase. So here bitter we need to increase, bitter we have to reduce. So even if you have a question on that, sir, how we can identify, please come to clinic and understand whether it fall under which category, excess of water or low water. So that you can do. These are the main thing. And heart related problems. What is the food I told? The coffee. You have to reduce the bitter, specifically the decantation you have to reduce. And points are there. There is a lot of points are there, but the heart meridian will be there. Here, this is the heart meridian. Just press whenever you feel more like when you feel not your heart beating is very low, or you feel that something congested or pain or something come. Immediately the combination of the heart meridian is reflection is come here. Just to press heart reflection here. Along with that spleen, if you press, your heart will be strengthened and more. So the 5 point we discuss, you may fall under either one of the category. So just go over one more time, like what is you fall under, whether the dampness or cholesterol level or low digestion, excess of water, and the excess of fire also. In case if you have a question or doubt, you can come to clinic and we will guide you on that. Thanks for watching. In case if you want to talk to us, please come and visit our clinic or send a message. We will help you on that. Thank you for that.